How to block a private account on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Friends. Here, you can add a story on TikTok as well as view other friends' stories. You can also find friends from here. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the name of the account you want to block. Once you open their profile, go to the top right corner and tap on the share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available as well as other options below. Now tap on Block as shown. Tap on Block again to confirm. You have now successfully blocked this account. They will no longer be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. You can unblock them anytime by visiting their profile. Following these steps, you can easily block a private account on TikTok.